Alright, so which one should I work on here? I think maybe that tiller. And this generator here. It's an old one. Let's look at this thing. Yeah, that's an old one there. But yeah, I like this little Ariens tiller. So yeah, let's get into that one. Alright. Well, I blew it off with the leaf blower a little bit. Let's see if it's got any life. Okay. Let's see if it has any spark, anything like that. Oh, my back is sore today. Alright. On-off switch anywhere. Over here. Okay, that's on. We're looking right there. Okay. Did you see a spark? I don't think I seen a spark. Huh. Oh yeah, I see a spark. Do you see a spark? Okay. Well, let's shoot a little something down in there and see if we can get it to pop off. Okay, just check the oil. Looks good. I just want to show you what I just found. Yeah, that's a problem. Okay. Now that there's no bowl down there, let's see what kind of carburetor it is. Maybe we might get lucky and we have something in my hoard of spare parts. Maybe. No. Okay. One of those jobbies, eh? Alright. Sorry about the background noise, I got the door open. I got the door open. Okay. Let me get this hose off of here. Might as well clean it while we got it off and while we're looking for parts for it. I'll give you a look. That's what it looks like. It's funky looking. Yeah. Not a dull moment around here today. Okay. Well, meanwhile, while this is cleaning, I can try to find a bowl for it and that, but I figured we'll just get right into trying to get the carburetor clean and that. It's a funky little thing, ain't it? It's not too bad. Well, it's been open all that time probably. I don't know if I can turn this and get into there. Let me bring it back. Hopefully I can unscrew it, huh? Yeah, it unscrew. Might have a spring or something in there. I don't know. Feels a little resistance there. Strange looking little carburetor. Oh, look at that, all that sediment in there. Looking like cream of wheat or something. Oh, that's nasty. Okay, well that's going into the Vibrasonic. All right. It's a little crunchy there. All right. So we can't take this off without ripping it. Oh, no. I'm going to leave that on there. It's not going to be getting too hot. I'm only going to be putting it on for 45 Celsius. Okay. I'll put some fresh water in there. And that. Wish I had the bowl, of course, but we'll see. Okay. All right, got her all cleaned up. Okay. There. Get a little tap. Sweet. Let's test it real quick. And put a little tube right here, blow in there, and lift this up and down and see if it seals. Well, now I'm taking the tank off to clean it. Also, this little rod right here came undone, so I gotta take the tank off anyway. It's okay. So could not find a bowl for that, so I went to Amazon. There's the part number. And there's the carburetor. Let's go to get it on there. Okay, we are ready to start putting this back on there. So, for starters, slip this inside here. Now we're going to kind of pull on this to try to get it to, there we go, like that. Make sure that you got your gaskets back there lined up. Kind of difficult because the other bolt has to go through there, but we can work around that. Okay, so line up your fuel line at the same time. Kind of get it to shimmy on there. Let's get some needle nose pliers here. There we go. Right now, before you do anything, go ahead and slip on your clamp, because you're not going to be able to get in there here in a second. There you go. Make sure that this stays on there. Go ahead and get your spring lined up and put inside that small hole there. Right there. Let's try that again. Turn it around, flip it, turn that. Let's get it on there. little bit. There you go. Now we can turn our gasket up, kind of shimmy it in there a little bit more. Get it to go flat. If you have to pull the rest of your line in the back kind of out at the same time. There you go. All right. Okay, now we got that contraption on there. We got our gasket. And make sure that that is not right. There we go. Like that. Okay. Now, put our breather hole in there. Put our breather breather tube in that hole down back there. Well, come on now. Well, wouldn't you know it won't go in? Get it together. It's the little things. It's the little things, boys and girls. Oh. Boy, that'll really sog up your corn flakes and come on now. It didn't, it'd come right back out. Oh. Come on. Okay, there you go. Get it together here. All right. My back is not feeling good today. It's been raining. Of course, it's April. Here in northern Michigan, we have what's called, I think it's going to be rain, but it snowed. You know, there you go, right there. All right, enough playing around. There we are. That feels really good. Make sure that we're going up and down here. Make sure we're going back and forth here. There we are. All right. Sorry if my head was in the way the whole entire time. But we are working together. All right. We are working on this together. Little by little on each side. All right, so let's see what is in this tank here. Very little, apparently. All right. I don't remember if I I must have gotten most of the fuel out of there then. Let's see if we can. I like to get all the fuel out. I really do. Just in case there's some water in there that has accumulated and some garbage. Yeah. There's a little bit of water in there. I can see it. So good thing that we did the rest of that thing. Okay, we got our machine outside here. Let's turn it on. Fuel's on. Another successful repair. Oh, not too bad. I wish I would have had the bowl. I wouldn't have went through all of that getting a aftermarket carburetor, because I really do like using original carburetors. It's just my thing. But yeah, I really enjoyed working on this little thing. Well, I guess that's all there is to say, huh? Appreciate you hanging out with me. And if you like what you've seen today, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Another one bites the dust.